Hi, thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. So you try to understand what are the medical equipment financing options available to you and your practice. Well, you've come to the right place. Me and my team have worked with thousands of doctors over the years and helping finance equipment for their practice. There's a few things that are really important to know when you're looking to finance equipment, and you want to make sure that you use the right product. So me and my team at National Business Capital have helped fund over $2 billion, and we've completed 27,000 transactions. A number of those transactions have been for doctors and other business owners in the medical field. We love the medical industry. It's actually one of our top industries at my company. What's really important, and I'm glad that you're searching this video, that you use an equipment financing lender. My platform that I built, we have over 75 lenders all in one place. We do everything from term loans to lines of credit to equipment to SBA. And there's a time and place for all of those different funding products. But if you're gonna buy equipment, you wanna use a specific specialized equipment lender. You're gonna get your best cost or lowest rate. The repayment terms are much longer, anywhere from 3 to 5 years, and sometimes even 10 years. It'll be a monthly payment versus a daily or weekly payment. And when you finance equipment, you can still depreciate that equipment and get the tax benefits. So you don't take any money out of your cash flow. You can finance it over a 3 or 5 year plus period, but you still can depreciate all of that equipment. Those rules are changing, so check with your accountant. Right now, I think it's up to about 80 or 90%, and it goes up to about $1 million. But those rules constantly change, so make sure you check with your accountant. But you can choose to depreciate all of it in year one, or do it over multiple years. The great thing is you keep that cash in your business. You get those tax benefits. So you either can put that tax benefit right into your pocket, or you can reinvest it back into your business in other areas. Another thing to really understand about medical equipment is it's typically very easy to finance. We only need a one-page application completed, and up to about $150,000, sometimes even $250,000, with just an application and an invoice for the equipment that you're financing, we can have you literally approved in hours or 24 hours and finance it with only just that. Sometimes you may need some recent bank statements or financials, but for the most part, up to about $150,000 to $250,000 when it comes to medical equipment, we can finance it with just an application purely based on your credit. Don't go out and buy that equipment without speaking to us or a lender first, because once you buy that equipment and get it delivered, then it changes what you're able to do. And now that equipment's not new anymore, it actually makes it very difficult to finance. So a lot of times we'll see owners go and buy it, get the equipment, then think they can almost like refinance it and get their cash back out, but that makes it complicated. And our lending team is gonna wanna pay the vendor where you're purchasing that equipment directly. So it's really, really important thing to keep in mind. So don't jump the gun there. Make sure you reach out to us, have a conversation. We can help map out and plan accordingly. If you're looking to open up a new practice or a new location for your business, and that's going to require a big equipment purchase, give us a quick call and we'll walk through and understand what it is that you're looking to do with the new practice, how much equipment it is, and we'll need to understand a few things about your business and the new business that you're opening up. Please check out the link below, get connected with my team. They can answer any of your questions. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. I look forward to helping you with your next equipment purchase. Keep doing what you're doing in your business, in your practice, and more importantly, keep growing.